important and useful? Yes. I'm asking you a question, color green. Why are you the most important color?
Because I am the kind of light in the whole. Look at you, Mother Nature. Your dress is fit. Look around you. Come on. Take a look at the grass in the tree. Without me, our animal would die. That's why I am the most important color.
All are important and useful. She's right. Besides, you're only talking about the earth. What color do you see in the sky? You see me. The sky is space, peace, and serenity. Without my peace, you there be nothing. We are not talking about me.
This is not funny.
Yes, it is. You are also serious. Look at me. I'm happy, so I bring laughter and happy into this world. Without me, the world will no God. Who gives you warmth? The sun, and the sun is yellow. Oh, I forgot Mother Nature. Your earrings are golden yellow.
Oh, we are not talking about me. Oh, my dear children, you are all necessary.
Excuse me, Mother Nature, but I also want to say something.
You have nothing to say.
Yeah, stay out the conversation.
Oh, who are you? I didn't know you even existed.
Let him talk.
I am the color of health and strength. I carry the most important vitamins of carrots, pumpkins, oranges, mangoes, and papaya.
You are so boring.
Maybe you're right. I don't hang around all the time. But when I feel the sky and sunlight or sunset, my beauty is so striking. Then no one gives another those to any of you. Oh, and Mother Nature, your orange brush wearing on your cheek neck is so beautiful and radiant. So whether all of you like or not, I am the most beautiful color.
I can't stand it anymore. What is wrong with all of you? I'm here. Hello.
Calm down, color red.
I'm sorry, but I can't. Look at me. Blood is red. Life's blood. I am the color of danger and of bravery. I am willing to fight for a cause. Even Mother, I bring fire into the blood. Even Mother Nature is all red. I am the color of passion and love.
May I say something?
Sure, go ahead.
Just like it says.
I am the color of royalty and power. Kings, chiefs, and bishops have always chosen me.
Chosen you? What do you do?
I am the color of authority and wisdom. People do not question me, they listen and obey.
Sure, just like me do.
All of you are being disrespectful.
And me, Mother Nature, I am the color of silence.
If you're the color of silence, then be quiet.
That was a good one.
I know your heart will not teach me, but without me you are become superficial. I represent thought and twilight and deep water. You need me for balance and contrast, for flavor and energy.
No, you're wrong.
Oh, you're ugly.
Get out of here. Oh, it's your turn. Make him understand now.
What of your being so foolish? Fighting among yourself. Each try to dominate like the rest don't you know that you were above for special purpose? We are sorry. Now join hands with another and come to me. sky. It's a great cloud of color as a reminder that you can read all this in our head.
Tell them what the rainbow means.
The rainbow is a sign of hope, tomorrow, and reminder whenever rain waters or the rainbow appears in the sky.
It will remind.
It either remind or human being of his love, his happiness, rest, wisdom, and reflection.
People will always think of you. You will remind them to appreciate one another. That's why all of you are important.
See